Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Braided Strokes.
Today we are making DIY earrings. For this DIY we need organza fabric, mold it, paint, mirror, glue, jewelry making accessories, scissors, brush, needle and thread. Firstly we will start by cutting the fabric in desired shape and size. Then we will stick both the ends in the middle of the fabric. We will make a bow out of it. Then we will sew the bow in the middle so it remains intact. Now we will take mold it and give it the desired shape. I have chosen circle. For my earrings, you can do any shape to your liking. Now we will put mirrors over the circle. I have punched holes on the circle so that hook can be attached to it. After the circle is dried and hardened, we will apply colors to it. attaching accessories to assemble my earrings. I have topped a mirror over the bow to make it more shiny and beautiful. Hope you all enjoyed the process and would certainly try one for yourself. Thanks for watching and let's meet soon with another fun video.